Alright, so let's install cairo dock or glx dock. Well, if you go into your Ubuntu tweak here and go to your source center, you'll see you'll have two PPAs. One is the stable and one is the unstable. And of course the unstable one is the one without the bug, but then again it's unstable. So I'm going to be using this one. Okay, so once you add this line, I'll even put a PPA down below so you can just, if you don't want to use Ubuntu tweak, I could just give you the PPA. So anyways, once you do that and get that all taken care of, just go into your software center here and type glx dock and install it. Alright, now since we're going to be using a dock now, we don't need this bottom panel anymore, so we're going to right click and delete this panel, and it should warn you and delete. Now depending on which version you installed, the default one in the Ubuntu repositories, it'll be inside here, the accessories, but since I'm using the PPA, it's down here. And if you have a desktop or a computer that doesn't run the special effects, the Compiz effects, just click on the one that says no OpenGL. But if you have effects, then click on the OpenGL. So click on that and it should launch. There it is. Okay, now first thing you need to do is right click on it, and where it says cairo dock, right here it says launch cairo dock on startup. So click on that. So you know, when you log in next time, it'll be there. So anyways, and it's broken down into applets and applications. So the left side is your applications and the right side is your applets, and this is the default theme that it comes with, and this is the one that I'm going to modify to make my own. However, if you don't want to do this, you can just leave it the way it is, or right click on it and go to cairo dock and go to manage themes. And right here is a bunch of themes. These are all pre-packaged and set, and they're cool. I like them, but if you want to make your own, you can still modify these ones. But today I'm going to be making my own. I'm just going to be making to my own personal preferences. So, anyways, if you want to just install one of these, go right ahead. But I'm going to be making my own. So, anyways. So close this off. Alright, now these are applications. These are from up here in your panel. So where it says accessories or games, so like you want to put like a Gbrainy, just drag it off and drop it in. And if you want to get rid of it, grab it again and let go. Easy as that. Now with the applets here, it's a little bit different. Usually when you drag these off, when you let them go on your panel, on your desktop here, it's gonna like make a shortcut or something. So it's always gonna be on your desktop when you drag this off. So let me drag this off and see if it does it. And there it is. Alright, but I don't want that, so I'm just gonna right click and remove this applet. Okay. Do it again, right click, remove this applet. And I'm probably going to remove everything. I'm pretty much going to remove everything on the bottom here, but just to give you an idea what you're going to be dealing with. Anyways, if you want to start getting things going, there's a simple mode and an advanced mode. So let's go to the simple mode. Right click, go to cairo dock, go to configure. And right now you're in simple mode. Okay, and up here it's broken down to different sections like position, visibility, how the dock reacts when a window overlaps it, taskbar, the way the taskbar reacts if you want to act like a Mac or a Gnome. Okay, animations, like when you put your mouse over, what it does. So this is just a real easy way of getting things going. So anyways, let me just let me see, where can I start? Well, let's just start here. Let's just get it going then. Alright, so the position, I'm just going to leave it at the bottom. The visibility, hide the dock when when the window overlaps. What I do when I just put on whenever any window overlaps. So what that's gonna do, let me hit apply. Usually when you have it the other way and you have two windows open, as soon as the second window opens, your dock will pop back up, and it gets kind of annoying. It just, every time you open up a window, it pops up. It's always popping up in and out, in and out. So I'd rather just have it hidden anytime when a window overlaps it. That just makes it easier for me. And if I want to bring it back, I just bring my mouse down and it comes back. And this is the animation, so of the dock, leaving and coming back. So if I wanted to fold, put on fold, press apply. Now when I put my mouse down, see how there's a little fold animation? So I'm gonna leave it at zoom out. Zoom out's pretty cool. There it goes, zooms in and out. Alright, visibility of subdock. There are subdocks in here, and this is a subdock right here, the graphics. So you can have it so that when you want that subdock to appear on a mouse over, so right now it's appearing on mouse over, or you can make it appear on a click. You can do that as well, and that's controlled right here. And the taskbar, this is how the lower dock reacts to multiple programs. So like if you want to act like a Mac, if you're familiar with Mac OS X, like when you click on a launcher, a little dot will come at the bottom, and when you minimize it, it'll minimize into the icon and not to like a little sidebar over here. But I'd rather have it as Gnome. Hit apply. And the reason why I like it this way is because when I switch to a different desktop, notice how this icon is right here. When I switch over here, the icon's gone. So basically each desktop is independent from the dock. So each dock on each desktop, it's for that desktop and not the other one. So if I switch back, and the icon comes back. Alright, now for icons, this is your animation. So let's see, on mouse over, so I like put on bounce, and on a click we'll put on pulse. And effects, I'd rather keep it simple, so I'm going to put none. And appearance and disappearance, that's when an application opens and closes right here. So I'm going to put black hole and hit apply. See, now when I move my mouse over, it has a little jump to it, and when I click on something, it should pulse like that. Alright, and on appearance, up here in this upper tab, this is going to control your icon selection right here. So right now it's set on custom icons, and that just means it's going to select the default system icon. So when you change your icon set, the dock is going to change as well. So if you want to leave it that way, that's fine. I'm going to leave it that way for now. The size of the icon, I like them having big, so I'm going to put big icons. Separate different types of icons. Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to go into this later because this is very important. And this is the this right here where it talks about the view. That's the view of the dock. You can change different types of docks too. So let me hit apply first. Okay. Now my icons are a little bit bigger because I had changed the icon size. Anyways, so if I want like a panel mode, now I hit panel, apply. Now it's like a panel, see? Or if I want it to be like something weird looking, like a rainbow, I guess. This one's kind of odd. I don't like this one, but there it is. It's kind of weird looking. Anyways, I'd rather leave it at 3D plane. That's fine for me. And this is for the subdocks. So choose a default for subdocs. I'm going to I'll leave it the way it is. Alright. Now this is just the basics. That's what this video is kind of meant for, just the basic stuff. On the next video I'm going to get into more of the advanced stuff, and that's kind of complicated. I'm probably going to have to write down some notes. So anyways, until then, I'll see you.